Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income program. Okay, guys, so this is actually the landing page to check out if any of you actually decide to purchase this program. I will leave links below in the description of this video. But I just wanted to talk a little bit about what she's kind of offering here. First of all, once you get on this landing page, of course, she has this free training video, which is about 10 minutes long. She's going to basically break down the 3 steps to be able to get results with her program, guys. So that's definitely important. You know, this isn't a free affiliate program. There is an investment. In fact, the investment is actually 297. So basically, you pay 297, and once you promote it, you will get 297 dollars in commissions through whoever decides to pay for this program, guys. It's kind of one of the ways it works. As you can see, there's a giant price cut right now, and look at this, 365 money back guarantee. All right, guys. So even if you just like get on this, check it out. Maybe it's not for you. There it is, 365 money back guarantee. Because she is so confident that you will succeed in this program. And I have seen my friends and people I know succeed with this program, guys. In just a week or like a few days, actually get results and become profitable. All right, guys. So they're earning way more than they put in. And it's very easy. The step-by-step system that she has, that's pretty much ready-made, is almost too good to be true, guys. It's almost too good to be true. All right, and here it is again. If any of you are having any doubts about this, maybe this is just one giant what if. There it is, right there, guys. All right, 365 money back guarantee right there. There's literally nothing to lose. Okay, just wanted to point that out. That's gonna be pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope to see you next time in the next video, guys, where I'll be posting more content about the 10x income system, and just entrepreneurship in general, guys. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. And like I mentioned before, there are links in the bio below, so be sure to check that out if this is something that you're interested in, guys. All right, see you in the next video.